How to use corn caps. Corns, also called helomas, are thickened skin that usually forms on the feet. The thickening is a natural way for the skin to protect itself, usually in the form of a conical, waxy protrusion on the feet, and occurs because of excessive pressure. Foot abnormalities, protuberant bones, ill-fitting footwear, and gait irregularities can lead to these oftentimes painful formations. 1. The good news is, proper use of corn caps, i.e. corn plasters, provide a simple, safe, and effective means of removing the growths. Correctly applying the corn cap. Clean and dry the area surrounding the corn. Thoroughly washing and drying the area helps to ensure firm adhesion. Without a solid connection, there is a chance the corn cap strip will slip out of place and lose effectiveness, or potentially come in contact with healthy skin. wh.performance.mark Step 1_rendered. Remove the corn cap from the backing. Just like a band-aid, the adhesive section is pressed against a rubber backing that ensures nothing sticks to it before being applied. Discard the backing once it has been fully separated from the adhesive portion. Place the circle directly over the corn. Press it down firmly, adhesive side facing the skin. Use separate adhesive strips on the edges to keep the corn cap in place. If using the corn cap on a toe, wrap the adhesive portion all the way around the toe. 5. The spongy ring should alleviate some of the pain related to the corn touching or rubbing against shoes and other items. 6. Reapply corn caps as necessary. In general, the corn caps should be reapplied every 2 days. Apply the corn cap precisely as the instructions direct. Unnecessarily high absorption through the skin may occur if overused or improperly used. 9. Monitor for allergic reactions. Allergic reactions may include, but are not limited to skin redness, itchiness, or a rash. Soreness and discomfort, both mild and severe, are common. Severe reactions are rare, but anaphylaxis has been reported with use of salicylic acid. 12. Consult with a physician if corn caps are ineffective. You should consult with a general physician, podiatrist, or dermatologist if your corn is painful, recurrent and not responding to corn paint. They might order an X-ray of your feet to rule out underlying bony abnormality and refer to an orthopedics if needed.